Is your child ready to splash into high seas adventure with the Anchors Away pirate ship? Walk pirates off the plank in your own backyard with this unique water table that features its own play figures, a boat, a squirting shark, and a life preserver in case it's man overboard. The battery-operated center mast fountain provides a constant flow of water, and spinners keep the current moving so they won't miss a single wave. Ready, aim, and squirt to keep enemies at bay with the water-mounted cannon. But what's a pirate ship without a captain? The spinning steering wheel lets your tyke manage even the highest seas. Just like a real pirate ship, the anchor raises and lowers by cranking a handle, and everyone can dive into fun